Hello friends, break 4 eggs into a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano. Whisk until the mixture is beautifully light and frothy. Pour in 1 cup of heavy cream. Add half a cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix until the batter is completely smooth and free of any lumps. Fill a saucepan with water. Add a pinch of salt. Bring it to a boil. Add 8 ounces of your preferred pasta. Cook it until al dente. Drizzle a little olive oil into a pan. Finely chop 1 white onion. Onions are essential for a healthy lifestyle, as they are full of vitamin C and compounds that help strengthen the immune system. Toss the onion into the pan. Sauté until it turns golden. Grate 2 cloves of garlic on a mini grater. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, a like would be much appreciated. It's the best way to support me. Stir it into the onions. Add 1 pound of mixed ground pork and beef. Break the meat apart. Let it brown for 10 to 15 minutes. Check pasta. Transfer the pasta into a bowl. Season the meat with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano. Stir well to ensure every bite is flavorful. Take the pan off the heat. Add the meat to the pasta. Pour in 7 fluid ounces of tomato sauce. Toss everything together. Friends, I always enjoy knowing where you're from. Please share your city and country. Grate 4 ounces of cheese. It is a wonderful source of protein to help us stay strong and active. Mix the cheese into the pasta. Mix well. Grease a baking dish with a little oil. Combine the pasta and meat mixture into the baking dish. Heat more olive oil in the pan. Roughly chop 1 red onion. Choosing such colorful vegetables is a simple way to keep our body resilient and strong. Sauté until fragrant. Slice 1 eggplant into rings. Then, cut those rings into strips. Add the eggplant to the pan. Now, chop 2 sweet peppers. Feel free to ask any questions about the recipe in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I see them. Toss them into the mix. Then, cut 5 mushrooms into chunks. Mushrooms are packed with selenium to support our vitality. Add them to the vegetables. Mix well. Pour in 14 ounces of canned chopped tomatoes. Stir well. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Give the sauce 10 minutes to simmer. Carefully move the vegetables to the baking dish. Pour the egg mixture over the top. Grate another 4 ounces of cheese. Sprinkle over the surface. Bake for 30 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Remove the casserole out from the oven. Slice into about 12 portions. Top each one with a tomato half. Sprinkle green onions over. Place a serving of the casserole on a plate. The savory meat, tender vegetables, creamy eggs, and melted cheese all harmonize in a dish that truly tastes like home. Thank you for cooking with me today. Until next time, happy cooking!